Okay, so I have two pieces of a jack power on if they're both fives in red. So today we're going to teach you how to shoot cards out of your hand, like this. Okay, so I don't have anyone to hold the camera, so I only have one for hand. And I'm going to show you two ways you can shoot cards out of your hand. So for basically both of them, they're not much different. Both can be for a beginner level. And so the first one is where all you do is you have to shoot up more, you have your pinky finger, your ring finger and middle finger on the top of the cards like this, and your thumb is on the bottom. And all you have to do to shoot the cards the first way, which goes up, is you take your index finger like this and you push up, creating an arc like that. And then to shoot, you release the pressure, slowly release the pressure with your thumb like this, and it will start shooting like that. So you can have this be like a prank for someone, or you can just shoot it out of your hand to show off your talent. So, but also, warning. So, right now I'm only using a little bit of cards because it's like so much mess. So, just so you know, there is a mess involved. So that's the first way. Okay, so I picked up all the cards on the ground now. You see? So I've got them in my hand in the same position as last time, because this second one is much more powerful, but it is in the almost same exact position. Only this time your index finger isn't under it pushing up. Your index finger is pulling down like this. And then you can release your index finger and keep the pressure with your finger, so it creates an upside down arc. So you do the same thing, you release the pressure with your thumb, only this time it shoots more to the side away. Like if my thumb's right here, it would be going that way, like it just did. And it creates more of a hum as you do it. So that is how you do the second. Please subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.